Make a great choice today with the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, leather seats, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.